they did not, due to one reason or the other, you need to listen to them. And hi, my name is Mubashir Salahudeen. So in this video, we're going to be discussing mistakes that can ruin your business as a business owner. So as a business owner, you're going to make one mistake or the other. These mistakes are actually inevitable. Some you get over them without much setback, while some actually ruin your business completely if you did not take good care of them. So that's why I've decided to discuss this on this video. So before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, please try to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification icon. Keep getting notification whenever I release any new video. And if you already subscribed, try to share this video with your loved one and like it as well. So let's move on. So the first mistake is believing that a good marketing will cover for a bad business plan. No, that is not true. See, as much as I used to say that you should kind of focus your time, 80% of your time, on revenue generating activities such as marketing, you need to understand that other activities in your business also need to be taken good care of. Other things that are in your business plan needs to be taken good care of. So you don't have a good business structure, you're going to run out of business, because by mere handling your marketing right doesn't mean every other thing will be right if you did not give them a good attention. So a good marketing cannot cover up for a bad business plan. So you need to have a good business plan and get everything taken care of by somebody else as well, while you focus on the revenue generating activities. So the next thing is disregarding the importance of agreement. Agreements such as sometimes on condition, disclaimer, etc., etc. If you disregard the importance of agreement, either by running away from it or rushing into it, see, the liability that comes from an half-baked or non-existing agreement is nothing close to whatever you can actually imagine. Okay, here now are some of the liability that can come from it. Loss of financial advantage, getting costly liability, damages, not being able to claim ownership of your own valuable intellectual property, another form of loss of other business assets at the same time. So don't accept any agreement that you know you don't properly understand. And if you must accept it, get someone that understands it and give you a briefing on what is it in that agreement before you accept the agreement. Get serious about your agreements, every agreement in the business, in order to protect your financial interest, minimize your exposure to liability, safeguard your property, and every other liability that can come, or every other loss that can actually come from this mistake. The next mistake, which is the third mistake, is operating a business with an unstructured accounting record. As a business owner, it is very good for you to have a structured business record. Even if you're a small business owner, you don't have to be like, okay, no, till I get big, before you start keeping a good business accounting record. If you don't have a good accounting record, such as expenses and the revenue, that it's in your business, you will not grow to that big level that you think you will, because you need to keep track of whatever is going out of your business and that is coming in. That is how to know when to scale and how to scale. And if you don't have this record, then how would you know when to scale and how to scale? You understand? So this is one mistake as well that a business owner actually make. So the next mistake is always being the smartest in the room. There's this saying that if you are the smartest in the room, that means you're not growing. And if you're not growing, that means you're dying. Some business owners always surround themselves with people that they always feel smarter than, which is not supposed to be so. Even if you as a business owner, your employee, you need to understand that outside the area that you actually employ them to work with, some of them are actually good in some other area. Let them explore in those areas as well. And even in the area where you've employed them to work, listen to their contribution, listen to their opinion, let them tell you what they think would work and what won't work. Then compare and contrast before you make your final judgment. They are not robots. They think, they have exposure, they see things on a daily basis which will add up to the improvement of your own business. So don't always be the smartest in the room. Even if it's just within your association, within your friends, give them some listening here. And if you think, okay, everybody around you are not as smart as you are. Get new companies, get new people to move around with in order to help yourself as well. So the last mistake today is ignoring customers' complaint. You can have the best product in the world. If you have a bad customer service, you will soon run out of business. Customers are the backbone of your business, and any business that fails to listen to customers' complaints will soon run out of customers. See, customers' feedback are very important. If they enjoy your product or service, they would recommend your product to other people out there. And if they have one complaint or the other, please listen to them and make modification on your product and service. You don't have to listen to you don't have to put into consideration every complaint from every single customer. But the most likely is you need to listen to most of them. And at the same time, put together a good system that listens to customer complaint in your business, so that you can file everything up and see how you can use that to improve on your business. Because for every customer complaint that you listen to, it is an opportunity for you to shine more, an opportunity for you to make yourself out there that yes, you're here to serve them and not just after their money. Before we go, let's take a quick recap. So I said the first mistake is believing that a good marketing will cover up for a bad business plan. That is not true. The second mistake is disregarding the importance of agreement. The third mistake is operating your business with an unstructured accounting record. The fourth mistake is always being the smartest in the room. The fifth, which is last but not the least, is ignoring customers' complaint. Always keep in mind that your business reputation is very valuable and a fragile asset. Everyone makes mistakes, but the test of a good entrepreneur is whether they can grow by overcoming obstacles rather than get bogged down in the damage control of situation. Before we go, if you are new to this channel, please try to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever we release a new video, you'll get a notification as soon as the video is released. And like the video if you enjoyed the video, and please share the video with your loved ones. Thank you for watching and see you next time.